So go to the room. Play blackout.
Yo, the monster's still
Let's go
here.
room.
There's gonna be a super creepy monster.
I'm up here.
These monsters are not done.
Tournament for the question needs swapping now.
At least you can.
My
He
boat's
can't even handle.
You have flashlights.
Oh! There he is. That's the new monster.
Boom! I almost run like this.
Wait, so what is lockdown?
It's when the lights go out and there's no more electricity. Oh, it's got
Oh god.
and which
Oh
one
my
I find
God.
is
No, not the elder painter.
it's a new monster apparently called K. No, I think that's the one. Not you. Go. Me, man. Say not you.
Oh my god.
Baboon.
Why is it two things at the same time, bro? I can't see a thing already, bro. I got stuck. Like it's in a lockdown.
Why?
No, it's.
Me needs to be up this screen of that new
I'm
monster.
so scared of that. I'm so scared of that. Why the fuck that Bro, what type of monster is happening? No, I don't ever. What? Oh my god.
I don't. This is it.
I was about to run finally.
Sorry. What's that?
What was that? Can we go up?
Let me see the stiff animation.
Can we go up? Who was that?
Oh, that's
Chat, are we cooked?
Yeah, we're cooked.
Okay, chat, chill, bro.
Why is it chasing me?
Everyone, come up here.
Mike.
Guys, closing the store. Right, you. Let me run into him. That's a door.
We have the
I'm gonna die.
finally.
This is peak.
Scary baboon. Yeah.
Door.
What?
What? Guys, keep the door open.
How the hell that's gonna... I don't know that is helping. Oh, the kids! Someone's on door duty. Door duty.
Closed. They're not. Makes no difference if it's open or closed.
Faster mode.
Open the door.
Why? Why?
Yo, bro.
What's happening? What's happening?
Yo, bro.
Back. Open the door.
What the? You don't even know what that means.
I can't do this anymore, guys. It's like, oh, let's go.